Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, we have a healthcare position. We have like responding or reviewing AI prompts. We have processing rebates, and we even have a job that is a part time paying you to respond to those social media comments. So, we do have some non phone options for those of you who don't like being on the phone. I don't think any of these require any kind of college degree, so we're going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, starting off, if you're looking to be in the healthcare field, we have University of Colorado Medicine hiring. They have 60 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a bad debt specialist for their healthcare. Now, this is a virtual remote work from home, and it is 100% remote for the United States, so anybody outside of Colorado will be considered. But bad debt is basically when a patient has been billed and they have not made payment in quite a while, so their account has then been sent to collections. So they're really looking for somebody to manage those patients' accounts that are in collections, trying to resolve those and collect those outstanding balances. So you're really managing and processing the collection portal submissions, making sure that any complaints are handled. Maybe a patient doesn't agree with what they're being billed. You're reviewing and authorizing legal assignments through the online portal, adhering to internal policies, procedures. You're kind of doing the research, conducting those in-depth account investigations to resolve any errors, discrepancies, validate that the balances are really owed by the patients, and make sure that the correct billing process has been followed. So you're doing a lot of data gathering. You're gathering, verifying, and documenting the data related to legal actions, because once it goes to collections, these things like go on people's credit reports, which then affects, we know, once your credit score goes down because you got bad marks on your credit report, affects all aspects of their lives. So there's all kind of laws that have to be followed there. No college degree is needed, though. They're just looking for somebody who has 3 years experience kind of in the healthcare industry, somebody who has great communication skills, can learn new computer systems quickly, of course, work with those basic software systems like Microsoft Office, and they do want somebody who understands and will follow those HIPAA laws and guidelines. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $22.71 an hour up to $24.09 an hour. Now, next up, we have the company Resource Innovations. They have 81 reviews from past and current employees with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a rebate processing specialist. Now, this is going to have to do a little bit of customer service phone work as well, but you are basically taking phone calls to get information. You are processing rebates. This is remote full time. And even though you will be on the phone some, the basis of this job is receiving data source documents, compiling, sorting, interpreting, and verifying the data to be entered into the computer system. You're also providing basic troubleshooting and recommend solutions. So maybe someone is calling in, they want to submit a rebate and they can't submit it for some reason, or they're asking questions about what documentation is needed. You're just basically troubleshooting, recommending solutions to them. You are maintaining electronic hard copy filing systems of applications, rebates, other supporting documentation, because with rebates, when you buy something and you get cash back or a rebate back for that, you have to submit proof that you actually purchased the product or did the thing that gets the rebate. So you're really just providing those customer service activities as far as responding to those emails and those phone calls. Now, no college degree is needed for this one either, just a high school diploma, GED, and somebody who has had 6 to 12 months of related work experience. They specifically want somebody who's worked on the phones kind of in a call center before. Of course, you've got to speak English very well and kind of be passionate about making meaning impact on the environment. Now, if you can speak Spanish, might get you to the top of the line for an interview. Other than that, just somebody who can work with computers. You can use basic computer software programs. Pay for this one is $17.79 an hour. Now, keeping it moving, we have Keyword Studios hiring. I have shared Keyword Studios a few times on this channel in the past. They have 2,200 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a research associate. This is specifically for their AI department or artificial intelligence. They are hiring throughout the United States, remote work from home, but they do prefer somebody who is in that Pacific Standard Time zone because that is the time zone that you're kind of going to be working. So if you're outside of that time zone, at least convert your hours, make sure that their working hours work for you, and let them know that you are willing to work that time zone. They're looking for Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So weekday, daytime shift, no weekends. Pay is anywhere from $24 an hour up to $27 an hour. So they're really looking for somebody to help work with their data collection team, focusing really on improving their AI engine. You're basically going to be reviewing AI prompts. So you're going to be given examples, generating similar prompts, responses. You're executing different use cases, collecting data in support of the AI engine, and then you're fine tuning those AI training prompts to get more consistent results from the AI bot. So you're working with a small team of data specialists, kind of labeling projects, annotating, which is tagging and labeling. You're kind of trying to help identify areas for process improvements. You are just trying to review these AI prompts, make them better, train the AI better. So you're basically training AI. You're going to use different communication channels to work within your team, such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, SharePoints, to learn about new projects and kind of collaborate with your team. So those are kind of like all like non-phone options. Now on Microsoft Teams, you can make phone voice calls. No college degree is needed for this one either. They do prefer somebody who has prior work experience in AI or at least has studied AI in some kind of college course. Other than that, you've got to be a problem solver, kind of be process oriented, great communication skills. You've got to be able to learn quickly, learn new technologies, have a great attention to detail. Now, if you're looking for part-time work, you're not looking for like a full-time job, we have Nutrafol hiring. Now, Nutrafol has 88 reviews with an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a part-time social media response associate. Now, this is remote for the United States, but this is a 1099 like contract position. So this is not like a W-2 position. This is going to be temporary too. It is a 6-month contract, but things like this are great to get on your resume, get that experience so then you qualify for other jobs. They do have multiple scheduling options. Both scheduling options require a weekend. The first one is working Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. The other one is Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturdays, and Fridays. So just know that you will be required to work at least one weekend day. But they're really looking for somebody just to identify, monitor, and respond to reviews and comments on their social media sites like Instagram, TikTok, Google, Facebook, Reddit, X that used to be Twitter. You're going to look at various product review forums too, on paid and organic posts. Look at the DMs, private messages. You're just managing all of the social listening tools, trying to monitor positive and negative comments and topic trends where the company is discussed. Of course, you're kind of responding to those comments, keeping things up. And of course, if someone is having a negative experience with the company, you're trying to turn that frown upside down and, of course, make the experience better for them. So you're really kind of summarizing learnings. You're trying to present things back to your team and back to your managers where things can be communicated better, done better. You're really just reflecting the brand of the voice of the brand. Sorry, just answering all of those comments on all social media platforms. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, but they do want somebody who has 2 to 3 years of customer service experience. Of course, they prefer somebody who has some kind of social media experience. But other than that, you've got to be a strong writer, somebody who has an understanding of community and how like communication in those digital spaces kind of work, somebody who can take constructive feedback and, improve their own performance. You've got to be a problem solver, great attention to detail. But pay for this one is pretty good. It's a $32 an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.